Hey guys, hope you guys are doing alright today. Today I'm actually going to be taking you to another jump puzzle here in Frostgorge Sound up here. You're going to need to have at least try and get one of these waypoints done, preferably the Slough of the Despawned waypoint. And you'll just come over here, and the jump quest is actually right in here. So, find a safe spot to jump down. I'm gonna actually jump down right over here. You can actually see, if you come down this way, you can notice all the alpine skelks over there. You keep coming over here, you'll see a little hole right there, right in front of me. This jump puzzle is actually fairly easy to complete. The only thing that you have to watch out for are the what do you call them? Ice trolls. That's what I was going for. Get back here.
Time to strike.
Don't worry about killing the rest of these. They're not going to catch me. But you come up here, and you need to start right over here where these two trolls are. Try not to aggro them. This one's actually pretty straightforward. You just got to keep following this stuff.
Take it off.
You don't have to attack this little ooze. I'm just going to do it anyway. Because you just jump right up here. You can actually see there's giant ice crystals that fall from the ceiling. Try and avoid those if you can. The easiest way to detect them is if you have sound, because sometimes that red ring is actually a little bit hard to hear, or to see, I mean. Just jump across here. If you have a speed boost, that'll be handy. God, I can't talk today. Whatever. And you just jump right across here. There's a troll right here. Two of them, actually. Now the snow trolls you do want to take care of. I thought they were ice trolls. Whatever. They still do cold. You want to take care of them because they do cause chill, and that'll make you fall if you're trying to jump. Try and dodge his little moves right there. Okay, there's that. Get the banner. Speed buff. Just keep going. Oh, that's gonna hit me. The chill doesn't last very long, but some people don't pay attention, and I just missed that jump. So, speaking of people that don't pay attention, give me 1 second, I'll jump right back up here. Okay. So I got back up real fast. Just jump across here. And this part, you don't jump to that point, because that's just going to take you back around up here. You come up here along this little cliff. You can ignore that little slime right there. Try and break line of sight.
This could hurt.
Okay, there's that. Now this next part, there's going to be two veterans. You can see one of them right there. The other one is inside this little castle thing. You don't have to fight this guy if you don't want to, but chance for some loot, so I'm going to do it. And right there you can see the troll. Come on.
Shake it off.
A lot of the enemies in this entire jump puzzle you can actually ignore. I'm actually very close to the top, and the next, that little veteran that's right there, the snow troll, you can ignore him as well, unless you just want the loot, which I do.
Shake it off.
Oop. No, why am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my god.
Time to strike. Adrenaline rising.
Get out of here. Okay, and then pretty much you just jump on these little parts. There's nothing else up here that can really hurt you at all, unless you were to fall. But here is the end. And here's the chest. Pretty fast and easy. Just try and avoid any of those chills or enemies that are down there, and you can get done with this in way less than 5 minutes. For me, it took a little bit longer just because I was killing some of the enemies. So, have fun, level up, guys. I'll see you later.